that change round. I've moved the green button from here to there, drill a hole and you put it in a new place. This is the solve button. What I'm going to put here instead is not a button, but I'm going to put the display, the 4-digit 7-segment display right underneath here, and then the LCD will go there. And under here I probably will do a key for what the buttons mean, even though as the user is operating from the control panel, it'll tell you what to do on the screen. But just made that change, and we'll go on.